Want to record your iPhone screen? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. The first thing you want to do is add the screen recorder to your control center. For that, swipe down from the right. Now, tap and hold anywhere. You will find the option of Add a control. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, find the option of screen recording and tap on that. As you can see, screen recording has been successfully added. Once that is done, tap anywhere on the screen and you will exit out of the editing mode. As you can see, the screen recording has now been added to Control Center. Now, anytime you want to record your screen, you simply want to swipe down from the right, open your control center and tap on the screen recording button. If you want to record your audio as well, simply tap and hold on this option. Now we have the option of microphone. Go ahead and tap on that. Once it says microphone on, it means the audio will also be recording. Now, after you have finished recording, you simply want to swipe down again and then tap on the same button to stop the recording. You will find all of your screen recordings in your gallery, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.